Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 97. Dal. Again, it's dal. This pronounces as one syllable word. Pronounce it with me. It's dal. Again, it's dal. What is the meaning of the word dal? It is the Korean term for daughter. Again, dal means daughter. How do we write dal in Hangul? It is composed of just one syllable. To write this, we need to draw first a sangdikit or double dikit character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. And with that, you've just learned dal. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 87 to 96. But don't forget our word for today, which is word number 97, dal, which means daughter. The first word for our review is word number 96, it's ane, which means wife. Next word is nampion, which means husband. Next word is halmoni, which means grandma. Next word is haraboji, which means grandpa. Next word is nugu, and this is used to ask who. Next word is sasangi, which means world. Next word for our review is molla, and this is used to say I don't know. Next word is moreta. This is a verb which means to not know. Next word is we, and this is used to ask why. And the last word for our review is 축하합니다. This is a formal way of saying congratulations. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.